Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In this lesson, we are going to expand your skills in French with a particular expression, the expression to be ready to do something. And here's the exciting part. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how you can express an almost unlimited amount of ideas in French with this expression. So the expression in French is être prêt or prête à plus an infinitive. And this represents the idea of being ready to do something. So the something would be whatever it is you place here in the infinitive. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the expression itself. If I want to say I'm ready to, without saying the something part, in French you would say je suis prêt à. Again, prêt for masculine speakers. For feminine speakers, prête. Je suis prête à. So we have je suis prêt à, je suis prête à. Here's a particular example. If you want to say I'm ready to leave, you're at a particular place and you want to say I'm ready to leave, you would say je suis prêt à partir. Je suis prêt à partir. I'm ready to leave. For female speakers, je suis prête à partir. Okay, so it's a nice little expression, very easy to use. All you have to do is just insert infinitives after a, and you can express a lot of different ideas. So let's look at some more examples. If I want to say, for example, I'm ready to work, you know the verb to work is travailler, and all you have to do is insert that into the expression after a. So you have je suis prêt à travailler or je suis prête à travailler. To study, the verb to study is étudier, so you know what to do, just insert it there into the expression. Je suis prêt à étudier or je suis prête à étudier. Okay, so the next example, I'm ready to go. Now, this one can be a little tricky because in English, we use to go to mean I'm ready to go to a particular place from point A to point B. But we also use to go to mean to leave. So this is not what is meant by this example. This would be the verb to go from point A to point B, which would be aller. So if you want to say I'm ready to go, je suis prêt à aller, or je suis prête à aller. Again, if you wanted to say I'm ready to go in the sense of I'm ready to leave, well, that would be the previous example that I showed you. I'm ready to go. Je suis prêt à partir. Okay, so let's try some more examples. Whatever it is you're doing, you're ready to stop. How do you say to stop in French? Remember, to stop is arrêter, arrêter. So insert it into the expression, je suis prêt à arrêter. Je suis prêt à arrêter, or je suis prête à arrêter. I'm ready to eat. You know that one, nice one when you're hungry. Manger, to eat. Je suis prêt à manger. Je suis prête à manger. Let's say you're ready to start something, whatever it is. The verb to start is commencer. So we have je suis prêt à commencer. Je suis prête à commencer. Okay, so now here is the fun and super exciting part. Your ability to say things with this expression is only limited by the amount of infinitives that you know. So the more infinitives you know, the more you can say. For example, I'm ready to travel. Je suis prêt à voyager. I'm ready to speak. Je suis prêt à parler. I'm ready to listen. Je suis prêt à écouter. I'm ready to begin. Je suis prêt à commencer. I'm ready to work. Je suis prêt à travailler. I'm ready to eat. Je suis prêt à manger, etc., etc., etc. In this course, I've always stressed the importance of learning as many different infinitives as possible, and this is one of the reasons why. The more infinitives you know, the more things you can say when using certain expressions. So now you are ready to do anything. Do anything, that is, with this expression. So in French, that would be vous êtes prêt à tout faire. Vous êtes prête à tout faire. Most French speakers will leave out the infinitive here, faire, and simply say, vous êtes prêt à tout, vous êtes prête à tout, since the faire is implied. Okay, well, that's it for this lesson. I hope very much that you found this helpful. If you did, I would appreciate it so much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.